This is part 2 of the WYSIWYG training videos. I want to show you just some general tips and ideas for these buttons and talk to you just about a few of the buttons that I think are really helpful and usable. And then in the next video we're going to talk about a couple of other things that are kind of details. The first button I want to show you is this button right here, which is the Insert Horizontal Ruler button. And basically what that does is just insert a horizontal line. So if I've got some text in here and I want a line in between them, I can just click this button and it inserts the line. And automatically that line will position itself to be the 100% of the width of the screen. So if I have this article set to 2/3 of the screen, this line will automatically set itself to be 2/3 of the width of the screen. And you can delete it just like you can delete text. All I did was put my cursor there and press delete. So that's the first button. The second button I want to show you is the link button, which is right here. And if I want to, for example, link that text to Google, I would simply highlight the text, click the link, and then put in the URL that I wanted the link to go to. And again, I can choose here, if I go to this targets area and drop this box down, I can choose if I wanted to open it in this window or open it in a new window. And I like to use the new window because it means that the person is going to stay at my website while viewing the other website. So I would recommend using this. Click Insert, and now that is a hypertext link, hyperlink. If I, on the front end, click that, it would take me to Google. And notice, if I want to get rid of it, I can just click this here, Unlink, and it's gone. That's the second button I want to show you. I also want to show you this right here, this Undo button, or using Control-Z. If I've got a bunch of text here and I do something wrong, like accidentally delete it, I can just hit this button and it will undo what I did. And that actually works a few different things in advance. So if I do that, I can undo and go all the way back to where I was a few different times from the very beginning. So there's a lot of things that this button does. It's very useful. Finally, I want to show you the Align buttons. And that's these right here. Let me just grab some text that I can use as dummy text. And when I paste it in here, alright, notice it's automatically aligned left, but I can choose to make it align center, or I can align it to the right, or I can use align full, which basically makes it, notice that this is totally exactly lined up. So see the difference there. Notice that now it's not lined up, and now it's exactly aligned. And this is a good option if you're writing a long article. It makes it easier to read. So those are a few general buttons. We're going to get into some more detail in the next video.